No need of
Yes.
waiting. So what is the condition for divisibility by 3? Aldos, divisibility by 3.
Ma'am, the numbers is divisible by 2 if it has 0, 2, 4, 6,
Divisible by
8,
3.
or 3. Ma'am, a number is said to be divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3.
We have done exercise, some problems.
No, ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
no.
Last
class you were saying the
Divisibility by
exercise.
not wrote?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am, we didn't wrote.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I didn't understand the divisibility by 3.
Okay, I will do it. Now, if you want to divide 123. Okay. So what are the digits here, Steve?
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, and 3. You should add all these digits. So how much you will get? 1 plus 2 plus
6.
Ma'am,
1
the
plus 2
sum
is
is
what?
6.
3.
Ma'am, we got
3 plus 3 is 6. 6 is it divisible by 3?
Yes.
6.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is divisible by 3. Therefore 126 is also divisible by 3. Add all the digits. If the number is divisible, if that digits are divisible by 3, then the whole number is divisible by 3. You should add all the digits. Okay. Next one, 725.
Yes.
What you will get now, Anlin? 725.
Ma'am, we will get 14 the sum.
14.
Is it divisible by 3?
No, ma'am.
No. It will not come under the multiplication table of 3. Therefore, it is not divisible by 3. Now understood, Zeba? Yes. Next one. Yes, Vaiga. How much you will get? Is it divisible by 3?
30.
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
No.
No, it is not divisible.
Not divisible by
Ma'am, we will
3
get 13.
because you will get it as 13, which is not divisible by 3.
Yeah, ma'am.
Now, how much you will get? 7 plus 6, 13. 13 plus 5, 18. 90. Is it divisible by 3?
Yes. No, ma'am.
It is also not divisible by 3. I think you understood now.
Yes.
Yes
yeah.
or no? Add all the digits.
You can give more problems. We will do ourselves.
Yes, next one I will give some.
Ma'am, ma'am, in the slide, the exercise was there.
Is it divisible by 3 now? Yes or no? Is it divisible by 3?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes,
15.
it is divisible by 3. So now how divisibility test you wrote? No.
Ma'am, the only definition we didn't
Yes,
wrote that.
you have to, you can write it.
Ma'am, that check whether it is divisible by 3.
Yes,
that
you can
no.
write it. Divisibility test. Fractions. Yes, it will be appearing on the screen. You can write it.
Can you use it today or tomorrow?
Which one?
When today you send the notes or tomorrow?
Notes. Divisibility by 2 already over, no? Today,
No,
no.
this notes.
Tomorrow morning.
This notes, man. This notes.
Notes, this notes. Divisibility test. That's all.
Let me send it.
Yes, you can write. Divisibility by 3.
Maybe you send it to the WhatsApp now?
Yes, I sent till now.
It is in there. Okay.
Ma'am, can you please make the board little more big?
Yes. Is it okay now?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Hannah. Are you writing?
Yeah, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in 65433.
Yes.
And below which
5,
number?
4, 2, 2, 1.
5, 4,
5, 4, 2,
2,
2, 1.
2, 1. Okay, ma'am, thank you. Only 5 numbers.
Divisibility by 3. A number is said to be divisible by 3.
Ma'am, in the each number we have to write the sum.
Yes,
number
can you do
also.
by yourself? 500 and
Yes, ma'am, we'll do it.
do it. 567. 5 plus 6 plus 7.
Ma'am, we will get 18.
18.
Ma'am, it is divisible.
5 it is divisible. 500 and divisible by 3.
Ma'am, the second one is also. We will get
Second
9.
one also. Yes. 3
Yeah,
plus
ma'am,
4.
second one also.
Yes. 3 plus 4. 7 plus 2. 9.
Ma'am, we will get 11. Sorry,
Yes.
21 in the fourth one.
It is
Ma'am, in the third one, it is not divisible.
yes.
Ma'am, we will get 10. It is not a multiple.
Not divisible by 3. Six, 5, 4, 3, 3.
Ma'am, we will get 21.
Ma'am, we will get 21.
Yes, 21.
It is
Ma'am,
divisible,
can
ma'am.
you say the last one?
Plus 5, plus 4, plus 3.
Ma'am, what is the number of fifth number?
5, 4, 2, 2, 1. 5, 4, 2, 2, 1. $14, which is not divisible by
Yes, ma'am, it is not divisible. 14.
Ma'am, we write the definition.
yes. Which one? Definition you have to write.
Ma'am,
When you will
more
say
are
that
there.
it is divisible by 3.
Ma'am, more problems are there.
Which one?
The problems are there. More.
No, that's all. I think all of you understood. Shall we go to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I change the screen?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Finished all of you? Finished all of you? Shall we?
Yes, ma'am.
Next
Yes, ma'am.
divisibility we can check. Divisibility by 4. Divisibility by 4. THEIR you have to write here. THEIR. Their last 2 digits are divisible by 4.
Will you write it?
Yes, you can write it. Divisibility
Ma'am,
by
can you
4.
explain? Ma'am, can you explain that point?
Yes, I will tell you. A number is said to be divisible by 4 if their last 2 digits are divisible by 4. Shall I change the screen?
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, writing.
Can you show one more time?
Writing. Question you copy it afterwards, no problem. You are copying.
Ma'am, we have to write examples also. 124.
You are writing now. Only this much divisibility rule you write. Afterwards, we can do the problems. So what is
Okay,
the divisibility rule? You can write now. Last, only you should say the last two digits. 2, 1, 6. Which are the two last digits, Steve?
1, 1 and 6.
1 and 6. It is 16. Is it divisible by 4?
Yes.
No.
4
Ma'am,
ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16.
Four
It is
four
a
are
multiple. So it is divisible by
16.
12 numbers.
So the given number is also divisible by 4. Which are the two last digits, Seba?
28.
What are the two last digits?
28.
28. Is it divisible by 4?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, yes.
28. 7 ones are, 4 ones are,
4, sir. 4,
Ma'am,
7,
4
sir,
sevens
28.
are. 4
7
sevens
fours
are
are 28. So it is divisible by 4. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am, I have a doubt. Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
24.
Ma'am, if the number came like 2 digits also, we want to do what?
2 digits means you are knowing. Which are the 2 digits coming? 10.
Ma'am, like,
24.
if the question is like 32, then what will we take?
32 is a multiple of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. Like that you can count and see. 24. Only
Ma'am.
last 2 digits. You should see.
Ma'am, divisible by 4.
Divisible by 4. 6 fours are 24.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it divisible by 4?
No, ma'am.
No, last
No,
digit.
ma'am. No, 25 not possible.
25 is not divisible by 4. Therefore, the given number is also not divisible by.
Maybe I checked last two number and said. No,
Yes.
ma'am.
Is it divisible by 4?
Yes.
No, no. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Divisible by
32.
Ma'am,
8
32.
into 4.
32 is divisible by 4. Only you should see the last 2 digits. If it is set, if it will come under multiplication table of 4, then the whole number is also divisible by 4. Yes, Atul. Is it divisible by 4?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
89. Is it divisible by 4? No.
No, ma'am.
The given number is also not divisible. First example you can write 124. Atul, is it divisible by 4?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
ma'am, we will do the exercises.
You will do by yourself?
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
$543. 43
Ma'am, it is
not
not possible.
No.
divisible by 4.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, we will do
6,543 also not
Will do.
possible.
No need of writing the answers. Only you should see the last 2 digits. Then you can say that whether it is divisible by 4 or not. Finished?
Yes, ma'am, we completed.
Yes, ma'am. Complete.
Last one, is it divisible by 4?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
56. 56 if you divide by 4. So get it as 14. So it is divisible by 4. 56 is divisible by 4. 14 into 4 is 56. So the whole number is divisible by 4. Shall I change the screen? Finish writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Atul, tell me what are the conditions for divisibility by 2, 3 and 4 fast.
Ma'am,
Atul, what is the condition for divisibility by 2?
number is divisible by 2 is
Ending with the 0, 2, 4, 16. Yes, Vaiga. What is the condition for divisibility by 3? Vaiga? Clara?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes. What is the divisibility by 3?
The numbers. Add the numbers, and if we get the
Divisible by 3, the whole number is
by
also
3 is
divisible
the
by
sum
4.
of the
Yes. What is the
digits
condition for
divisible by
divisibility
3.
by 4? Zeba?
Yeah, ma'am, can you say the question?
Last 2 digits are divisible by 4. Then the whole number is also divisible by 4. Yes, Steve, can you tell me together all these 3 conditions first?
Yes, ma'am. Divisible for 2. A number is divisible by 2. It is as 0 to 4, 6, 8 in its unit place.
Yeah.
And divisible by 3.
Yes.
A number is said to be divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3.
Yes.
And divisible by 4. A number is said to be divisible by 4 if their last 2 digits are divisible by 4.
Last 2 digits are divisible by 4. So I think all of you understood. Anyone is having doubt?
No, ma'am.
No. Shall we go to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Divisibility by 5. A number is said to be divisible by 5 if the last digit is either 0 or 5.
Divisibility is 5 is different or same to 4.
Yes. Finish writing. Only this much you write. Afterwards, I will explain that. It is easy to check whether it is divisible by 5.
Ma'am, can you show the screen?
See. If it is 0 or 5, then it is divisible by 5. It should be a 0 or it should be 5. Okay, 2 possibilities are there. Any other number is coming, any other digit is coming, it is not divisible by 5. Last digit, that is the digit in the unit place, should be either 0 or 5. 20, is it divisible by 5?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, because last digit is 0, it is divisible by 5. 350, is it divisible by 5? Yes, because last digit is 0. 755, is it divisible by 5?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Because last digit is 5.
Because of the last digit is
Is it divisible by 5?
No.
No. Last digit is 3. So
Three.
what is the condition for divisibility for 5? Last digit should be either 0 or 5. Can you write these problems now?
Yes, ma'am.
135.
Ma'am, will do. Ma'am, will do.
Do it. No need of telling the answer.
Ma'am, I completed.
Completed. Okay. Fidhal is not there.
Ma'am, divisibility by 5 is more easier.
More easy. Nothing to check it.
Ma'am, and also the 2.
Yeah, ma'am. 2 and 5 is more easy.
Yes.
Finish, ma'am.
Finish now. 135 is it divisible?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
234? No.
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 625?
Yes.
150? Yes.
Yes.
75? Yes.
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 So the condition for divisibility by 5. Last digit should be 0 or
5.
okay. Shall we go to the next divisibility test?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Or tomorrow?
Yes. Tomorrow.
Today itself we can start.
Yeah, ma'am. It's time.
Yes, next one. Divisibility test by 6.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Who? Amar? Is it Amar?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you show the board?
Ma'am, for the board.
You cannot hear me, Amar?
Ma'am, board. Can you share the
Yes,
board?
Amar, what happened?
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Muhammad Amar Farhan. What is your name?
Ma'am, can you show the board?
A number is said to be divisible by 6 if the number is divisible by both 2 and 3. Copy the question reports, only definition you write. So what
Ma'am,
is the
should we
condition for
take the
divisibility by-
examples also?
Yes.
Ma'am, what is the rule?
Yes, I will tell you. Finish writing rule.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
No, ma'am.
If you want to divide by 6, you have to check it whether it is divisible by 2 and it is divisible by 3. Both the conditions should be satisfied together. It should
Ma'am,
be divisible
you
by
have
2
to put-
Ma'am,
and
can you
it
share
should
this?
be divisible by 3 also. So for example now, then it is divisible by 4, 6, one more. 712. Is it divisible by 2?
Yes.
Yes.
2 is
It
the.
is divisible by 2. Is it divisible by 3? 7
No.
plus 1.
No, ma'am.
No. So this whole number is not divisible by 6 because it is only divisible by 2, but it is not 2 and 3 also it should be divisible.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, this is 2. It will come 7, 1, 2, 3. It is possible. This is divisible. Ma'am, ma'am, you have one question. 7 and 2. It is only 2, not 3.
Yes, it is divisible by 2, but it is not divisible by 3. It should be divisible by 2 also. It should be divisible by 3 also. Then only the number will be divisible by 6. If it is divisible by only 2, we cannot say it is divisible by 6.
It is not divisible by.
Ma'am, in the board, the third example is divisible by 6.
Yes, let us see. One more I will tell you now.
Not divisible by 2 and 3.
Ma'am, we can do the problems.
Just wait.
Ma'am,
Is it divisible by 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Divisible
it is
by 2,
divisible
not
by
8.
2. Now you can check divisibility by 3.
No, ma'am.
By 3. 7 plus 1 plus 2 plus 8. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. Is it divisible by 3?
Yes.
Yes. So it is divisible by both 2 and 3. So 7, 1, 2, 8 is divisible by 6. Did you understand? Both the conditions should come together. If it
I understood, ma'am.
Is it clear now? It should be divisible by 2 and it should be divisible by 3 also. Now, now is it divisible by 2? Is it divisible by 6?
No.
First you should check the divisibility for 2. Is it divisible by 2? No.
Ma'am, no. It
Whole
is not
number,
divisible
this
by
number is also not divisible by 6 also because it is not divisible by 2 itself. So it is not. So what is the condition for divisibility by 6? You should check the divisibility for 2 and you should check the divisibility by 3 also. Did you understand now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
If the conditions are satisfied together, then the whole number is also divisible by 6. Now you can write examples. First example, 612. It is divisible. It is divisible by 2.
Ma'am, but it is not divisible by 3.
It is not divisible by 6 because 4 plus 6 plus 1 plus 2. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 13. It is
Ma'am,
not
we will get
divisible by 3.
13.
So,
Ma'am, second one also it is not possible.
It should
Just
be
not
divisible by 3. It should be
Ma'am, you
divisible
got
by
30. This is not divisible.
Yes. Next one. Second one.
Ma'am, it is
divisible
not
by 2?
possible.
Yes.
Ma'am, we
Is
will
it
get
divisible by
90.
3? 1 plus 9, 10.
Ma'am, we will get 90.
Plus 6, 19. So no need of checking. It is not divisible by 6. 9532.
Not possible.
Divisible? What is the last one?
No, ma'am, it is
by
not.
2.
Ma'am,
Now
it
you
is
have to
2.
check
But
the-
in
Ma'am,
when we are
9
adding, we will get
9 plus 5, 14.
ma'am, we will get 90. It is
14
not
plus
possible.
3.
Ma'am, I saw 9532. That's what I said. Not second one.
Divisible?
No.
9 plus 5,
No,
14.
ma'am, it is not.
14 plus 3, 17, 19. That also not divisible by 6. 297144. It is divisible by 2. You should add 2 plus 9, 11, 18, 19,
Ma
23, 27. Yes, only this number is
Ma'am, that is possible.
divisible by 2 also. It is divisible by 3 also.
3.
Ma'am, it is 9532 is possible.
No, It is not divisible by 3. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 3, 17.
Ma'am, there are 3 and 2. 3 and 2, 32.
5, 17. 5 plus 7, 12, 14. That also not possible. Okay, bye-bye. Already time over.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.